Hello and welcome back to Remoto, and we are starting in the shed, but we're not doing any shed things today. We're finally getting back to riding. It's an absolute marvellous day here in New Plymouth. Nice winter's day, still cold as anything, but we're going to get out on the bike today. We're going to go for a ride, explore some of the coastline. So I've got Shipwreck that I want to visit. We'll go to a lighthouse, and then we might go for a super slippery rainforest just for a little bit of heck of fun. So let's just get on the bike and let's just head away. Finally back to riding, so just get on the bike. Let's do it. Alright team, we are now heading south out of New Plymouth, heading down towards the Kura, heading to our first site. So we're heading along down to where the Shipwreck is. So we'll head there now. Here we are rolling into Kura, first little township on the way. Cute little town, kind of very surfy vibes. Popular coffee stop for most people. Alright, we're now heading down to the coastline, so we're now going to go see the wreck of the Garlock. It's coming on to low tide, so I'm hoping that we can see a little bit of it. I don't know how much we're about to see. A lot of it's now gone. It was wrecked in 1903, I believe, when it hit the Otakura Reef here. So I don't expect to see a lot of it. It's just going to be a skeleton, but let's just go and have a look, and we'll see what's left. Okay, we're at the point now where we have to walk, so we'll go for a little bit of a walk, park the bike up here, and yeah, see if we can go find the shipwreck. Alright, and we've made it down to the wreck of the Garlock. Now, walking in riding boots through the sand, soft sand, is not fun, and the sun's in my eyes, but you know, just going to deal with it. So here we have some of the section which has survived all the years in the sea. This obviously all gets covered once the high tide comes up, but this is basically, that's all left of the wreckage. There's a small amount just over here, but as you can see, this is the final resting spot. Beautiful surf coming up through there. There's the reef just outside there, looking straight into the sun. but kind of sad really. Luckily, when this breached the reef, all the crew were able to abandon ship and no one was killed, so that's pretty amazing. But basically this is all that's left of the wreck of the Garlock. So yeah, there's a big gap just over there. So anyway, I think what we're going to do now is that I might give you a quick overhead view of this, and then we'll just carry on and we'll head down to the lighthouse. I think it's Egmont Lighthouse. So I'm going to go walk across some more sand. Anyway, enjoy this, and we'll see you back on the motorbike. Let's do it. Woo.
Went down to the river, washed my sins away, and praying for another day. I went down to that river, washed my sins for free. The devil's on the other bank, staring back at me. I'm a dead man walking, I'm a dead man walking, I'm a dead man.
Alright, coming back onto the main road now. We'll then head down towards the Garlock. Make sure that this person doesn't take us out, swimming wide.
Another nail in my coffin, another nail for me. I gotta look pretty when I go down. Another nail in my coffin, can't you spare one more? I gotta look pretty when
heading down
I'm
towards Pukeiti, but we're not getting all the way there today.
I'm a dead man walking, I'm a dead man. I'm a dead man walking, I'm a dead man walking, I'm a dead man.
Alright, on the way to the lighthouse, we're just going to do a little bit of a detour, a little bit of a coastal drive. Hope you enjoy this. So sit tight, we'll get to where we're going. As you can see, it's a little windy around here today.
You ever seen a dead man talking? No, you haven't seen one yet. I'm a dead man walking, 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 I'm a dead man. I went down to the river, washed my sins for free. No one seemed to notice as I stared.
Got a snow on the mountain at the moment, nice and chilly.
Wash my sins away. I was thinking of you in that wedding gown. I went down to that water, I washed my sins away. The world faded away as I went down, 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 down,
down. We're down to Cape Egmont.
I'm a dead man walking, I'm a dead man walking.
Literally a jot around the creek and back again. So an interesting fact about all these moguled hills and these small mogul hills, apparently it goes that these were left over from the last volcanic eruption from Mount Egmont and Mount Taranaki. Apparently this is all where the rock field and lava flow, because it's not really, I don't think it's a magma volcano as per such, it just spits out a lot of rock and ash. So this is the last rock field basically that it left behind. There was all these moguled hills, which makes for a very interesting landscape with all these little beehive hills. I don't know if I'd want to live here though if the mountain was going to erupt again. Hopefully it just goes to the other side, not this side. But yeah, a little bit of interesting thing about the land. We're nearly at the lighthouse, so and just shut up and just keep riding. So there it is in all its beauty, the Cape Egmont Lighthouse.
I'm a dead man. I'm a dead man walking. I'm a dead man walking. I'm a dead man.
Last look at the lighthouse. (1863), I believe. So super old. Pretty cool that it's still standing. So now we're actually going to head towards the mountain. Funnily enough, the next road that we're going to be going or heading towards is up towards Pukeiti. If you've been a long time subscriber on my channel, one of the first videos I released was going up through the rainforest there. That's basically where we're heading now. It's a very super sketchy road, especially in winter. It's very slippery, very narrow, and people like to absolutely hoof it through there. So I'm just going to be literally dawdling through that road. So we're going to be turning right here onto the back main state highway again, and we'll be taking a left very soon onto Parihaka, and then shooting towards the inland, towards the mountain. Just as I say that, there's Parihaka. Oh no, that's mid Pohanui. Oh no, mid Parihaka. Taking it too wide. That's where we want to go. Okay.
Tried to get out of state.
That's interesting.
Maybe California, but she couldn't escape. She fell in love with every pretty face she met. She fell in love. But I couldn't relate. And I said, Joan, please don't leave me here alone. And she says, I ain't never coming home. Yeah, she says, I ain't never coming. I'm never coming home. She always thought she wasn't pretty enough to be on those.
Let the fun and games begin. This is where I just take it. It's super chill, super easy. This road doesn't see much sun, so it's very mossy, and it's honestly slippery in summer. But oh, look at that mountain! Oof. Magical views.
But I saw you dancing behind that silver screen. Yeah, I saw you dancing behind that silver screen. And I said, Joan, please don't leave me here alone. And she says, I ain't never coming home. And she says, I ain't never coming. I'm never coming home.
Riding past the Pukeiti Garden Centre now, so from here we're just going to hook it home, and I'll catch up with you back in the garage. So I'm going to keep riding, I'm going to shut up and just enjoy the last little bit of this ride. So see you in the garage.
He said pretty core choices won't ever get me to stay. But these winters are so long, they're so damn long, they're so damn long. And I said, Joan, oh, please don't leave me here alone. And she says, I ain't never coming home. And she says, I ain't never coming home. And she says, I ain't never coming home.
Old Red Run. That's going to wrap up the trip for today, and oof, what a trip, man. Oh, just the old Shipwreck, the Lighthouse, even though it was windy as anything, and then just the ride through the forest at the end. Absolutely amazing ride. Barrel's filthy as anything, so I've got to go and clean that. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed, why are you here and why haven't you subscribed? Just do it. Anyway, I'm going to go, and yeah, we'll get back onto the 500 twin. Anyway, we'll catch you next week's episode. We'll catch you later. See you later.